Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which offers you unlimited access to API keys to Claude, Opus, Gemini, DeepSeek, Quen, all the AI models. So the website name is completions.me. If you directly type this on Google, the very first website which comes. So this is actually unlimited API access. The tagline says. If you go to the website, it's a fairly new website. I'm using it for past 4 weeks and I decided to make this video completions.me. I've also given the link in the description of the video. So it simply says 100% free, unlimited request, no credit card required. Every AI model is there. Claude, Opus, GPT, Gemini, 15 plus more models. It has a very simple documentation to get started. So you click on get free API key, and right here you actually create an account right here. So let me just create a simple account here. Just enter the email address and then the password and click on create free account. Once you do this, you will be redirected to the dashboard area right here. So right here you simply click on create new API key. This is their chatting platform. You can actually click on and go to the chatting platform. This simple screen will come right here. So first of all, you will create an API key. Once you click the API key, your API key will be created. Just simply copy the key to clipboard. That's very easy. This is the playground section where you can select any model from right here. GPT-5. We also have Claude Opus 4.5, 4.6 plots. Simply select the model and simply send the request. So right here, this is the actual documentation right here. So click on that. So I think the documentation is there. If you see the documentation, this is actually simple documentation which is given. So you simply make a call request, simply providing the model name right here. And inside the authorization token, you simply provide this, simply write the content, how can I help you? So various examples are also given right here. So if you're building it in Python, you simply copy this overall example. So one-click setup is there, or you can even one-click setup for Claude Code as well. You can download the proxy and run this. So I simply create a Python script right here. Simply paste the example code. Right here, you need to paste your API key. This will be the endpoint right here. How to call this? So your API key, once it is created, simply copy this API key. So we are simply saying hello world and we are providing the model name right here. And you can simply run this, so it's actually making the request. So you will see you get this response. There is also a second way by which you can do this. Go to extensions. You can install an extension right here, which is RU code, which is also very code extension. Directly you can run this in VS Code by installing this root code extension. You simply fill out all these entries such as the endpoint, your API key, everything, and then you can even do this as well. Go to the configuration section, simply select from here OpenAI compatible, paste this endpoint, this API key, and select the model name. So it's also very easy, you can see that. So definitely check this out. Quick start basically is given. You will see this is the API base URL, and then we have all these models right here. If you are working with Claude code and you want to use this API, you need to download the proxy. The instructions are given. You simply on Windows extract the zip, double click start, enter your API key when prompted. So this is a really good website, guys. Definitely 100% free and unlimited. They are offering it. So they also have this playground section.